Ukraine strengthens defenses by joining Germany's Leopard 2A8 program, a strategic step toward battlefield victory. Ukraine has recently received significant support in its efforts to defend itself against Russian invasion by joining the German Leopard 2A8 main battle tank procurement program. The move is the result of an international agreement focused on strengthening the capabilities of the Ukrainian military, which is now facing major challenges on the battlefield. The Leopard 2A8, the latest variant of the legendary Leopard 2 family, is known for its advanced technology and ability to deliver extremely high combat power. With Ukraine joining the program, it is expected to strengthen their defenses and provide a technical edge in the battle against Russian forces. The German Leopard 2A8 tank is one of the most advanced main battle vehicles ever produced and has several significant improvements compared to the previous model, the Leopard 207. One of the key features of the Leopard 2A8 is a more advanced protection system, including an active shield that can detect and repel threats from incoming missiles or projectiles. In addition, the Leopard 2A8 is equipped with the latest electronic systems, allowing it to operate more effectively in complex battlefields. These advanced features make the Leopard 2A8 a highly strategic choice for Ukraine, which requires a combat vehicle with superior survivability and offensive capabilities. The decision to provide the Leopard 2A8 to Ukraine is part of a larger international effort to support the country against Russian aggression. The German government, which had previously provided a number of Leopard 207s to other NATO countries, finally agreed to strengthen Ukraine's position by including them in the Leopard 2A8 program. This move demonstrates Europe's solidarity with Ukraine, as well as Germany's commitment to play a role in overcoming the crisis caused by Russia's invasion of Ukraine since 2022. In addition to the defense aspect, this decision also reflects the importance of international alliances in maintaining global security stability. In this context, the Leopard 2A8 tank is not only a combat tool, but also a symbol of strong support from Western countries for Ukraine's sovereignty. The decision to include Ukraine in the program is the result of an intense dialogue between the Ukrainian government, Germany, and other NATO countries, which assessed that the Leopard 2A8 could be a game-changer in Ukraine's efforts to defend its territory. The Leopard 2A8 offers Ukraine much-needed tactical advantages, especially in fierce battles in open terrain. With its high-precision firepower and exceptional mobility, it will give Ukraine a significant edge in the battle against larger and better-trained Russian forces. In addition, the Leopard 2A8 can also withstand intense battles with its added protection, making it more difficult for Russian anti-tank weapons to destroy. It is important to note that the Leopard 2A8 is not the only system provided to Ukraine. The country has previously received a number of military aids from various countries, including the HIMARS rocket launcher system from the United States, as well as other key battle tanks. However, the Leopard 2A8 provides a new dimension in the strengthening of Ukraine's defense capabilities, as it is designed with the most up-to-date technology, allowing Ukraine to withstand a larger and more brutal scale of combat. Not only that, the presence of the Leopard 2A8 in Ukraine will also strengthen interoperability between Ukrainian forces and other NATO countries.